Hey there, welcome back to Software Skillful. Today, I've got something super exciting lined up for you. Get ready to turbocharge your Windows 11 experience. In this video, I'm going to walk you through some killer techniques to speed up and optimize your Windows 11 performance. Trust me, once you implement these steps, you'll unlock a whole new level of efficiency. Picture this: more free space on your storage, lightning-fast boot times, and an overall smoother system operation. Plus, not only will your Windows 11 performance skyrocket, but you'll also fortify your PC against pesky malware attacks. So, buckle up, folks. It's time to take your Windows 11 game to the next level. Let's dive in and make your computing experience truly epic. Step 1. Give your Windows drive a spring clean. Windows 11, your trusty operating system, resides snugly in your Drive C. But here's the thing: when temporary files start piling up, your PC starts to feel like it's dragging its feet through molasses. Not cool, right? But fear not, I've got your back. Let's roll up our sleeves and give that Drive C a much-needed cleanup. First things first, fire up your File Explorer. Now, right-click on Drive C. Easy, right? Now, select Properties. Pissed, wanna do it even faster? Hit Alt plus Enter. Boom! Next, dive into the General section. You'll see a sneaky little option called Details. Click on it. Now, we're getting to the good stuff. You'll spot a button labeled Temporary Files. Click on it. Uncheck the box Windows Update Cleanup. And click on the Remove button. And just like that, you've decluttered your Drive C like a pro. Step 2. Disable unwanted startup apps. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the Task Manager. This is your command center for system optimization. Navigate to the Startup tab. Here, you'll find a list of apps that launch automatically when you boot up your PC. Scan through the list and identify the apps that you don't need running from the get-go. These are often the culprits behind slower boot times. Right-click on each unwanted app and select Disable. This prevents them from launching automatically, freeing up resources for smoother performance. Remember, keep Microsoft Defender enabled. It's your frontline defense against malware threats. Step 3. Enable Storage Sense. Open up your settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, click on System. In the System tab section, look for Storage and click on it. Now, you'll see an option for Storage Sense. Click on it to dive into the settings. Toggle the switch to enable Storage Sense. This will allow your system to automatically free up space by removing temporary files and content you no longer need. Next, let's configure the settings to optimize its performance. Set Run Storage Sense to every week to ensure regular cleanups without you having to lift a finger. Make sure to select Never for Delete Files in My Recycle Bin if you want to keep control over what gets permanently deleted. Similarly, set Delete Files in My Downloads folder if they haven't been opened for, to Never to prevent Storage Sense from removing files you might still need. Step 4. Drive Defragmentation. Open up your search tool by either clicking on the search icon in your taskbar or by pressing the Windows key plus S. In the search bar, type Defragment and hit Enter. This will bring up the Defragment and Optimize Drives tool. Once the tool is open, you'll see a list of your drives. Select the drive where your operating system is installed. Typically, this is your C drive. With your drive selected, click on the Optimize button below. This will start the defragmentation process, which rearranges data on your drive to make it more efficient. By regularly defragmenting your drive, you can improve your system's performance by ensuring that files are stored in contiguous blocks. Step 5. Scan for malware using Microsoft Defender. First things first, let's make sure you have easy access to Microsoft Defender. Pinning the Defender icon to the notification area will keep you informed about your PC's real-time security status. Open Settings by clicking on the Start button and selecting the gear icon, or by pressing the Windows key plus I. Navigate to Personalization and then click on Taskbar. Under Taskbar, locate and click on Other Tray Icons. Ensure that the Defender icon is enabled here. This will give you quick access to monitor your PC's security status. Now, let's dive into the scanning process. Click on the Defender icon in the notification area to open the Windows Security app. In the Windows Security app, go to Virus and Threat Protection. Here, you'll see an option for a Quick Scan. Click on it to initiate a quick scan of your system's basic locations. This is a fast way to check for common malware and threats. If you want to perform a more thorough scan, select the Scan options. You'll see different scanning options such as Full Scan, Custom Scan, and Offline Scan. Choose the one that suits your needs. Follow the prompts to start the selected scan type. This will thoroughly check your system for any malicious software or threats lurking in deeper locations. By regularly scanning your system with Microsoft Defender, you're taking proactive steps to safeguard your PC from potential malware attacks. Step 6. System Configuration, Boot Time and Services. Press the Windows key plus R key simultaneously to open the Run dialog box. Type msconfig, without quotes, into the box and hit Enter. This will open the System Configuration utility. In the System Configuration window, navigate to the Boot tab. Ensure that the timeout is set to 3 seconds. This will significantly speed up the boot process by reducing the time your system waits before automatically booting. Now, let's delve into Advanced Options. Click on Advanced Options. Here, locate the option for Number of Processors and ensure it's set to the maximum available. This optimizes your system's boot process by utilizing all available processing power. Lastly, let's trim down unnecessary software that might be slowing down your system. Switch to the Services tab. To streamline the process, click on Hide All Microsoft Services. This will filter out essential system services, leaving behind third-party software. Carefully review the list of remaining services and uncheck any that you don't need or recognize. These are typically unnecessary background processes that can hog system resources. By optimizing your system configuration, you're not only reducing boot times but also ensuring that your system resources are efficiently utilized, leading to a smoother overall experience. Bonus tip: use Microsoft PC Manager for one-click PC optimization. Open your preferred web browser and type in Microsoft PC Manager in the search bar. Once the search results populate, look for the official page. Click on pcmanager.microsoft.com to navigate to the official Microsoft PC Manager page. On the PC Manager website, locate the option to download the software. Click on it to initiate the download process. After the software has finished downloading, open the installation file to begin the setup process. During the installation, you'll be prompted to choose whether to start the software automatically when Windows starts. If you prefer to have control over when the software runs, untick this option. Once the installation is complete, launch the Microsoft PC Manager software. Take a look at the temporary files that are hogging your disk space. If you see a significant amount, it's time to clean them up. Click on the Boost button to delete all temporary files and free up valuable space on your PC. Now, head over to the Storage tab within PC Manager. Click on Deep Scan to perform a thorough analysis of your storage usage. In the scan results, you'll see various categories of files. Untick the option to scan for Windows updates if you don't want to include them in the optimization process. Tick the boxes next to Windows Prefetch Files, Application Cache, and Web Cache to include them in the optimization process. Once you've selected the desired options, click on the Proceed button to initiate the optimization process. I hope you found this video helpful in optimizing your PC and protecting it from malware. Remember, a smooth running system is key to a stress-free computing experience. Stay tuned for more awesome tutorials like this one by subscribing to our channel and hitting that notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next tutorial.